Now you know 3 data types in Python. You know integers, you know strings, and you know floats. These are simple data types. We also have what is known as compound data types, types that are made of different objects. And the list is the most popular one. So in a list, you can actually store multiple objects. Let's suppose you are a teacher and you want to calculate the average grade of your students. So you use Python for that, and you need a data structure to store those values in Python. You need the proper type in Python to represent the grades of your students, and list would be a good choice. Let's create a list. Store it in a variable, as usual. Student grades equal to open square brackets, close square brackets. So the objects now will go inside this syntax. So you saw that with integers, you'd use a number without quotes. For strings, to tell Python that that is a string, you use double or single quotes. And with lists, you use these square brackets. So every type has its own syntax. So let's say 9.1 and 8.8 and 7.5. Those are the grades of your students.